Welcome back to the Sidetrack Railroad and Railway Relics, unboxing the past. It's time for estate sale box number 5. This box appears to be Christmas decorations? Let's jump in and see what we've got in here. First up, we've got some Christmas trees, so we're not off to a great start. Here we have a little building of some sort. And another little holiday building. And another little holiday building. Here we have a small hopper. Another little building of some sort. And another little building of some sort. And this may come as a shock, but here is yet another small building. I wish I could identify these better, but they seem to be some sort of holiday village, I'm assuming. They also look very European, which would fit with most of this collection. And what holiday village would be complete without a Merry Christmas station? And another building with a small wreath on top. And another little building with some moving doors. Here we've got a tiny little fire engine. Some more small scenery buildings. And another scenery building. And that's going to bring us to the final item and my favorite, these tiny little cars. They look like Japanese imports. Maybe small Datsuns, maybe Nissans, maybe even a Mazda. So that was definitely, I'm going to say, the most disappointing box yet, only because it was a Christmas village, and I don't really need a Christmas village. I don't think most people need a Christmas village. Those were probably under someone's tree at some point, I'm going to guess. I'm not sure. What do you guys think? Were there any relics in there, or was that all just rubbish? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for joining me for this episode of Railway Relics Unboxing the Past. I'll see you next time.